Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we often talk about outdated devices that have no more security patches and that are vulnerable to attacks, sometimes used in a coordinated attack or a distributed denial of service attack. Well, there's this new Evooo1 botnet that is surfacing, and it's infecting tons of devices from known manufacturers like Alcatel, like D-Link, TP-Link, and so many others. And basically, they are replacing the firmware with firmware that actually transforms these routers into traffic nodes. And this is a map that was actually drawn with the results of where all of these devices are being basically controlled from, and with the colors of where it is the worst. So we can see that North America is definitely in there, South America also pretty much, and some European countries and a few countries in Asia, including China. So we could see that it's spreading across. So what it does is it just starts by sniffing the firmware and looking at any flaws, and then when it uses a known flaw, well, it injects itself and basically transforms your device into a device that can do all sorts of things on the web. Like I said, many of the distributed denial of service attacks, when they flood a website, for example, or servers, often are routers and all sorts of Internet of Thing devices that just have security flaws that are exploited. In here, we even have network attached storage devices that are exploited to be used as data relay. So this is why I say it all the time. We have to force these companies to give security updates for a minimum of, and I would push it at 5 years minimum. Any router, any device you create, you should have security updates for at least 5 years. These are often abandoned very quickly. Sometimes just 2 years after you purchased it, there's no more updates. And at some point, there are security flaws that can be discovered and then exploited. And this is why one of the recommendations I have all the time is when your router is more than 3 years of age, it's not a bad idea to buy a new one and change it to something new that will have security updates. So this is the interesting map of that new Evooo1 botnet that is basically still growing over the internet. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.